Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Queen Kiss the Moon, chapter 38. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, Shang-Yi and Tang Wangting swearing is so ugly. What happened to their studio? Now, looking at one thing, it seems that there's something happening on the studio. That's why she looks really surprised. Also, she was looking at the mobile. It is estimated that it's still in Lee He's business. I asked Wanwan to contact the outsourcing public relations. Oh, it turns out it was Lee He again. That person, he always trick her. Didn't Lee He be resigned last time? Why is there still business? The last time I went to see Lee He, I contacted his parents and also promised to do these things well. Every day, industry insiders I heard that has not been fired at all. Same as upstairs, studio has a problem with the boss. This is Lee He's personal behavior and the studio is already a victim. Now, it really makes sense. Lee He, it turns out, he really wanting studio to fall down. When I was dismissed, he paid back the extra compensations. When he took the money, he also promised to solve it. But it turns out, everything is not went well. Is there anything I can do? Shang-Yi is asking one thing. Kiss me and make my blood return to Bob. Oh, this girl, she's really getting tricky. But for now, look at her. Look at her, she really kissed her and said, I am happy. One thing, turns out even though she was a good people, there's always a person. There are still empty jokes. It seems that the boss Tang can handle this matter as well. If you can handle it, you won't be in the relationship. If you want me to help, it's just a kiss. Now, Shang-Yi, she keep teasing her. Looks like I am with you today. The desire to go on work is about to fail. Well, I will go first. Well, it seems that it was really big problem. I will take a screenshot of the shopping cart. Later, I will send it to you. You can tell me if you want to choose. Seems that one thing she already calmed down. There's always a big problem. Let you says that I patronize my work and ignore me, a beautiful star's girlfriend. Now, hearing this, Shang-Yi, of course, she got really surprised and she looked back on hers. Well, we will work hard for everyone to come and we will hold a meeting. Tang Wangting said to Shang-Yi. Well, finally, she already calmed down. But for Shang-Yi, of course, she really want to help her. Designer here has exhausted. It's still the one last time. And the crisis needs to be done in advance. My bottom line is that I can leave everything on one thing. Well, she was right. She really need to help her. Lee He is really crazy. He is addicted and selling cars and houses. Actually throw off with such a bad guy. For several years, there's also a group of people that they're spreading rumors. Now, not only spread rumors but also went to the comment area of the Star Studio that we have cooperated to fool the banner and boycott corporations. That's it. Now, it seems that this is really getting serious, especially on the side of Sister Shang-Yi. The fallen is already for capital career. Fan and her studio is now being scolded as the bloody spray head. If you can contact Lee, your ex-girlfriend, you don't go through WeChat at all. And you don't reply to the private message on Weibo. Everyone seems to be taking advice for this, but let's hope they really can solve this problem. Sister, what are you doing? Not many people see the pictures and text, so only live broadcast is clarified. You can see it on Weibo. Can you enter? Oh, yes. Definitely right now. One thing, she was really eager to solve this problem. That's why she really want to make it fast. But everyone seems to be patient. Let's see on what will happen since she was going to live, but there's a lot of people throwing things on her. Hello everyone, I'm Tang Wangting, the manager of Wanting. I've been very much on all kinds of news about the former employee Lee He. I will deliberately broadcast the instructions live. While Lee and her ex-girlfriend extorts, he also take away the morality but also because colleagues for so many years. She's contacted his parents and now it seems that even though she has a good intention, still there's a lot of people are trusting Lihe, also commenting online against these rumors after this matter. It is not wrong to stand up and speak out, but we are also the victims. The innocence involves the fuss. I'm very sorry for the teachers and we have worked with. She seems to be exhausted answering those people. No, she was still live and broadcasting. Everyone seems to be not stopping. She was reading some comments on it. Some of it has been favored on Lihe. Now, what is she going to do? It seems that no matter what, trying to explain, still, some people will really believe that her designs and something, and it's not really her work. We have already called the police. I hope everyone is more patient. I believe that the police will give public an answers. Now, she really want to calm herself. One thing, it turns out she already ended the life. Now, she got off at work at the time and called me. You have my questions. Well, let's hope everything will be better. Also, Lihe, that he will really get caught. Sister, you also taking a break. I just didn't expect that Lihe to go first, one of the colleagues said. Suddenly, she got surprised when her phone is suddenly ringing. Well, who's the person? So it turns out it was Shangi. Shangi, she really got her. Of course, she still looked exhausted, also problematic. Well, let's hope Shangi, she can really think a way on how to help her. I can rest assured that your emotions are still stable right now. Shangi said the one thing, the effect of your live broadcast is very good. Well, definitely, she really want to wish her. Did you brush off to get a gift? If you brush the gifts for you, you'll see more people and your clarifications will be effective. Well, definitely at this moment, she was really thinking away. She need to look less on mobile phones these days and let them deal with the public relation that can be dealt with. The mood will become worse. I've experienced this many times before. Well, definitely she is. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!